Like, share, and subscribe.
Do you know that 5 plus 2 makes a double? Yes, it's 3, it's true. Add it up, count it up, that's what math is all about. Do you know that 4 minus 1 leaves you with 3? Now isn't that fun? Take away, subtract, let's see. Math makes magic, 1, 2, 3. Do you know that 2 times 2 makes a square with 4? It's true. Multiply, it's super cool. Math is power, it's your tool. Do you know that 6 divided by 3 gives you 2 so easily? Split it up, share it fair. Math is everywhere, oh yeah. Do you know a shape like a square has 4 sides? It's everywhere. Shapes and sides, count them all, big or small. Math rules all. Math ain't any with y'all. Math is fun, math is play. We can learn it every day. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Math makes learning super sweet.
Like, share, and subscribe.